everyone, this is Erin with Liftbridge Yarns, and today we are going to learn the German twisted cast on. This is a variation on the long tail cast on. If you need a refresher on that, you can look at our previous video. The German twisted cast on is a cast on that I like to use for my for my cuff down socks or for the brim of a hat. It makes a very stretchy cast on. I have a very large head and I need that stretch to accommodate it. So the German twisted cast on is where it's at. To start, it's just the same as the long tail cast on. The tail of your yarn is going to go over your first finger and the working yarn over your thumb. And you'll gather up both of those ends in the rest of your palm, keeping a good tension. And we start with our needle on the top, just like the long tail cast on. And the difference is when we swing this around, instead of going through that hole that forms at the base of your thumb, we're going to go all the way around through from the top, grab our working yarn. And if you can see that, you can see there's an X, and then that stitch is now on my needle. We have to go through that little X now. We're going to show that again in slow motion. I'll explain it after. There's that X. Can you see that X? That's where we're going through. We're basically putting a twist into that loop on our thumb, and that's giving just a little bit more fabric in our cast on to make it stretchy. So again, bring our needle forward. Don't go up yet through that loop. You want to pass around through the top, grab that working yarn, and as you tighten that working yarn with your index finger, you're going to see that X form, and you'll see where that loop just pulls through. Again, through, down, grab, pull. Again. Through, down, grab, pull. It's going to feel really finicky at first. This is a skill that you just need to keep trying. Put it down for 15 minutes, come back to it. Your muscles will catch up. Let's do it one more time. From under, through, grab, through that X. All right, thanks for watching.